Hello friends, you're welcome back to our channel, the Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video, I want to share with you on how to enhance your video audio. That's the volume of your video, everything about voice. You know, when you record a video and you want to post on your YouTube channel, some of the challenges you're going to have is that most time you might have a background voice that is going to distort that video. Somebody is watching and listening to you and is getting to hear all the cries of the children and all that, or the birds. And not only that, most times, depending on the quality of your screen recorder or your microphone, the voice might be so low. People can't hear you. You see, the complaint will be there. So, what do? Capcut video editing app can help you to do this. That's exactly what I want to do in this video. Now, let's go on. I'm going to click on this Capcut app. That's it. On my phone, it means that before now you have it. So having done that, now before you start doing this, let it be that you already have recorded this video. It doesn't matter what you use, recording whatever video recording to use, and then the video is already saved in your device. So what do? You come here and click on new project. When you click on new project, the system might look at some of the videos I have here. You can see options. We have videos, we have photos. So make sure you're on videos. So once you are there, now what you need to do is to make a choice of the video you want to edit. Let me assume that I want to touch this one. Okay, let me check this one. This particular video now, I've clicked on it, so I'm going to click on add down there. That's the video. Just watch. Let me play a bit of this video for you to see. Okay. Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video this morning, it's an update. It's an update and it's very, very important. So let me see this video, please stop. Sometimes, actually, this particular voice, it looks a bit good, right? But most times, you may not find the one here. But let me still show you. Whatever be, what do? As you're on this video now, you want to enhance the voice from Capcut. Just click here. See what I'm saying? Where you see it lined up here, this place. Just touch it. Click on it. Like this. I see this. Once you click on it, you're going to see all these buttons down here. From split, speed, animation, style, delete, and all that. You're going to see all of this. So keep searching until you see where you have volume. Somewhere here, you're going to see volume. Click on volume. Now, watch what I'm going to do. If you look at this volume now, see it's at the center. And you have at the end there, say 1000, drag it to 1000. Watch. Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our Chima Dedicated Video channel. Let me stop for now. If this particular video, imagine exactly increasing it by 100%. If it happened that before now is a bit low, by the time you increase it this way, it's already, the voice has increased. It doesn't stop there. You can also come back, click on enhance voice. Click on enhance voice. And then when you click on that, video quality and all that, that's not what I'm looking for. Click on enhance voice here. Now click on this. You activate this and now click on that. It's going, or it's trying to enhance, going from 1%, 2%. Just watch it. This will make everything so clear. You understand? When you see people producing some level of professional videos, all this editing takes place. And this is the minimal of editings you can talk about. It's not even, all those advanced editing. These are basic editings you can do for your videos, and so that you'll be able to get exactly what you're looking for. So once you are done this and it's up to 100, you move off from it. But let me quickly go out of this. So at this point, once I feel that I'm done, I want to stop this. What next do I do? All I will need to do is what? I will upload this video. I click on this arrow. Look at this arrow up here. I click on it. Watch what will happen. At this point, save to device. I click on save to device. Now watch. It's exporting now. When your video start doing this on Capcut, you are now exporting it. Please don't close your phone. If you have a call, quickly stop that call, please. You don't need to hurt yourself by repeatedly doing this. Once you are doing this, call came in, just stop. It doesn't matter who is calling. Stop the call. When you are done, you can call the person back. So allow this now to go through. Just watch. So you see, it's getting close to 100. Just watch. Once it's 100% now, let's see what happens. It's already there. Your video is ready. Already, this video has been downloaded to your gallery now, your device. So from here, you can, if you want to share this video directly, for instance, as a YouTuber, you want to share directly to YouTube, you now click on this order, and you can see YouTube here. You quickly share it, and that is the process. So that's exactly, your video is ready. You can see how to enhance your video quality using Capcut Editing 2. I stop at this point. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you think it deserves it. Thanks for watching.